Hey Allure, it's Patrick Ta. Today I'm going to show you how to find the perfect shade of lipstick paired with my viral blush technique. I know it's so hard to find a lipstick online, so I love using Google's AR feature to try a few shades of the Fenty lip on Madison. Let's try on the red one first. That one's nice. Let's try on a really light shade. That one definitely does not work. Let's try on one a little bit darker. It's a different undertone. I think my favorite shade was this one. Now that we found our lipstick shade, I'm gonna go ahead and build the whole entire look around that. I'm using the NARS Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. I love when my concealer is nice and bright, so I'm using a shade that is 1 to 2 shades lighter than my actual base. I'm gonna apply the concealer just right down the bridge of the nose and a little bit just on the chin. This is really going to shape and sculpt the face. And then I'll go in with my blender and just melt the product into the foundation. The next product I'm gonna be using is the NARS Light Reflecting Powder. Put this onto all of the areas that we applied the lighter shade of concealer. I'm applying a little bit of bronzer just to bring a little bit more dimension. I'm gonna be using my Major Headlines Blush Duo in the shade She's Wanted. It's gonna pair really beautifully with your lipstick. I personally love applying powder first before cream. And I wanna bring this blush almost into the under eye. And this is gonna give you that really beautiful ombre effect. Now I'm gonna go in with the cream. I'm just gonna go in pressing motions. By layering a cream and a powder, it's going to allow these colors to really come through on camera. So I'm doing a really clean eye because you never really want to do a bold eye and a bold lip. Apply your dewy setting spray just right onto the perimeter of the face, and this is going to help everything shine, but keep the center of your face nice and matte. I'm just going to apply a little bit of Glow Bomb to the body, to the décolleté. Using the feature, I chose Fenty's Icon Velvet Lipstick in the shade HBIC. Oh, I'm so excited. Putting on a bold lip is the easiest and quickest way to elevate a look. I like to overdraw just right in the center. This is going to give me a really pouty effect. Now that we have the matte lip on, it just blends so well with the rest of the makeup. I wanted to keep the skin nice and luminous so that the lips could really shine. The Google AR feature was spot on. How do you feel?
I feel fabulous, glam, confident.
You wear it so well. My tried and true style is wearable red carpet makeup. It's bold color, but you need to feel comfortable in it.